Crazy. Feels like we're in the future. Hello, little person.
Hello. You have a package.
Open. Ooh. We have a little message here, guys. We're talking about the spirit of Estonia. Where does it come from? Is it linked to the culture, the food? What is it? We're going to absorb some of it. Find the Estonian spirit. Are you with me?
We are in.
Yeah?
To search it.
We have to find it. You can feel it in the air.
We're going to harness it. And you are going to come with us as well. So let's go. We have arrived in the heart of Estonian nature. We are in the forest. It's beautiful. You can completely understand why the Estonians spend so much time in their immense amount of land, because it's pretty gorgeous here, right, guys?
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Just
absolutely.
missing some rally cars.
That will come, that will come. Guys, I've got a challenge for you. We've got to go and find beautiful flowers, herbs, berries, lots of different things around here. Let's go.
We've been walking for so long now, and we have nothing.
But look.
Oh yeah, look. Proper.
No worries, my small friend. I will help you. No mushrooms, no berries.
No mushrooms, no berries.
I think we were in the wrong place.
I have quite a lot. I've been busy with my knife, cutting a lot of beautiful plants. I think I've beaten the boys. So Marit, tell me what I have in my beautiful basket here.
Yes, these are blueberries. You can eat young leaves, they are tender.
Oi, wow, what a taste.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do like it.
I can see you got sandly. Can you smell it? You can smell garlic.
Oh yeah, that's wow. It's going to clear your nostrils.
Hello.
I think
Wildlife.